So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get your business listed on TripAdvisors. So TripAdvisor is one of the best platforms you can use to get your business listed so that you can reach to more customers and so that you can get your business being known by more customers and grow your business through listing it on TripAdvisors. So if you did not subscribe to this channel Max TV, now subscribe today. Like this video, share this video to your friends, and turn on the notification bell button so as you always get notified when we upload a new video here and no Max TV. So without wasting time, let's get started. So if you want your business to get listed on TripAdvisors also, maybe you can have a restaurant, you can have tower business operations, you can have also other businesses that you want to mention also to get listed on TripAdvisor so that your customers can get there and search it and find it easily. So you can frame its listing on TripAdvisor so that it can be easily be able to get recognized on TripAdvisor. So come here in your Google search, now type TripAdvisor. So once you type TripAdvisor, you can see this one. And you scroll down, click on this link, which is www.tripadvisor.com. So once you click tripadvisor.com, you can click here and open the link. Or once you open the link, also you can see various options here. And you can get to see various businesses which are already listed. You can also see that here is a review. So what you need to know, that you must have an account here on in order to get your business listed. If you don't have an account, it's as simple as that. You have to sign up first so that you can get the permissions to request the review or to request to claim your business to get listed on the TripAdvisor. So as you can also list your business on Google profile, also in Google by using Google profile business, it's the same way as you can list here. If you list your business here on TripAdvisor, we're going to get more engaging audiences, as you can also get them via Google business profile. So if you have account now, as you can see the various businesses you can start exploring, and it's not the one you're going to do. You can also see hotels when you want to see hotels near me. Also, you can check. You can see vacation rentals. Also, you can choose if it is the one you want to choose. Also, you can choose according to the location you want. Maybe I can type here any location. So if I don't want this location, I can choose, for example, California. So if I choose California now, you can see now I click search to view the location of what I want to be looking. So it is going to bring the result depending on which location I want to be looking. So yeah, so now is the search bar and you can be searching what you want to search there. So now let's go at the top and see how you can get your business listed on the TripAdvisor. So you have to come here and select this one and delete this one. Once you delete this one, also you see now it is www.tripadvisor.com, which is showing the URL only for the TripAdvisor website, and you have to add owners. Once you add owner, now it means that you are going to look at the owner page of your business. So you see now, yes, TripAdvisor owners, sorry, owners, yes, owners. You have to make sure that it's typed well so that you can now get the link to be claiming for a business to get listed. So after now typing the owner there, you can see now I have got new here the bar to type or to request my businesses to get listed on TripAdvisor. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to scroll down here. You can see take control for listing. You can see respond to reviews, you can see track our performance, you can see claim your free listing. So now this is how now I'm telling you what you can do. So now you click on claim free listing or business. Once you click there, you can also see now you go back there, and I'm going to come here and type business name. For example, I can type business name. Let's say that's my business is called like this. Once I see like this, you see now there is no result. There is no result found, which means that is not listed in a TripAdvisor. Once it is written in a TripAdvisor, I could have seen also this one also getting listed as the result for what I searched this. But it is not there. It's in the, I want to add it, so I click listed it now. Once I click listed now, uh, yes, you see now. I scroll down and choose also. You see, I have to list on accommodation. I can list this an accommodation. List is a thing to do. List is a restaurant. List is a vacation rental. But it is not now categorized into anything like this. So I can choose here and see which category can I categorize my business. Maybe is it a tours? Is it a shops? Is it a port branches? Is it ancient? Is it bar clubs also? Is it bike tours, bus tours? So cooking classes, cultural dances. Now, you see, I can choose now. Let's so as trial now. Let's choose the one we prefer to be that one, and it's a trial now. It's tries an example, and you can be also using your businesses and choosing the category of your businesses depending on which category of how you'll be working. For example, let me choose it now. It's learn tours now. It's learn tours now. I click here and save. When I click learn tours, I can even come back here and cancel it once I'm done it. But also I click next. Are you the owner, employee, or official representatives of this place? Yes, I click yes. Once I click yes, they bring another question. Does this place already have a listing on TripAdvisor? I say no. So what is your loan? Now I put my loan, so I put the owner of my business. Once I put the owner of my business, also I click here. Is this place or currently open? Yes, I say yes. Now continue to theater. So once I continue to theater, now I have to fill now the letters that they bring, which best describe your businesses here. So you have a business and you have to put something which describe our businesses. Is it point of interest? Now you can say that's point of interest. If it's a supplier, now you can say it's a supplier. If it's travel agents, you can say it's travel agents. Now you can see it get started. So once I choose this, I will get started and I want to be seeing this. So after clicking getting started, now you can see also it's the same now. I requested my business to get listed on Google, so sorry on TripAdvisor, and also you can see when I click there, it's the same as the thing I one I've been seeing there. So as you can see, it's like it's starting from the scratch, but as I have filled all the information or filled all the data there, I have claimed my business to get listed on the TripAdvisor. What I have to do is to also to wait and see if my business is going to be also listed on TripAdvisor. So let's be looking at that on the next tutorial. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to this channel, like this video, and share this video to your friends too, so that they can continue learning more from Normax TV, and turn on the notification bell button so as you always get notified when I upload new video here at Normax TV.